Hello everyone, my name is John and I'm a software engineer here at Clockwork Labs. Today we will be starting a new video series where we will be building a simple multiplayer game live on stream. We're actually still in the process of building this game, so if you want to check us out, we're live every Wednesday and Friday, and you can find our stream at twitch.tv/SpacetimeDB. For this game, we'll be using Unity for the client, and for the server, we'll be using a SpacetimeDB module. All of the code for this game can actually be found on GitHub. The link is in the description down below. Okay, so 2D URP. All right, so we have our new server module. Okay, so what are some of the things that we think that we're going to need right away? We're probably going to need like a player table, or I guess entity position table, right? For position, so struct entity position. Okay, what's going to be in this table? It's going to be public or pub x, which is going to be an F32, y, and z. Okay, y, z, very easy. We'll also have pub entity ID, that's going to be an identity.
You probably don't, for what it's worth, even need to do entities. I think it's maybe even overkill. You could just have circles. I think we only have circles, and then later on, if we wanted to have different types of
should I still call this entity ID, or you want to call this player ID or something?
I would just call it circle, and I would have everything. No, sorry. I would just have a circle. Yeah, so I guess yeah. But I would not even have a position. I would just have a circle. So it would have X, Y, Z, and size.
Oh, sorry. We don't even need Z. X, Y. And then
tune back in for that. But
beautiful.
We'll see how far we can get.
Circle. Okay. We'll just go ahead and add like a player roller onto here. Okay.
Out of curiosity, can you print old object? Old object is not null, right?
I believe that is correct.
So just as a kludge here, if we could just use old obj instead of new obj,
yeah,
that probably will get what we want. It might be like one frame behind, but whatever.
Kludge. All right, we'll try. I bet it'll work.
Bet it will.
Okay, but some moving. Actually, it is moving. It's just real slow. Okay, let's increase
let's goose the numbers.
Make it let's just take this out, make it 10. Okay, so publish. I don't have to.
Magnitude, is that capped on the server at 1 or no? Did we?
It's
maybe
not.
We forgot.
It's not right now, but
you could.
Yeah,
that's probably why it's so slow.
Okay, so it's only updating 10 times a second, and there's no client side. Like it's not lerping or anything. So this is literally just like straight up just updating it. So it's a little jank, but I'm gonna consider that somewhat
there it
working.
is.
All right, let's try that.
Look at that. Beautiful. Back to 70 lines of code. Programmers hate him.
Okay, beautiful. All right, so now it's bounded. And actually, I am going to say, I think we could bring up the update speed way faster.
Yeah, sure. If you want to do that, go for it.
So that it's not as like stuttery. So we'll go ahead and do
Jeff Bezos. Deploy a server with this one weird trick. Jeff Bezos hates him.
That should be. Oh yeah, there we go, baby. Okay, all right. Now it's looking a little bit better. Although we're gonna have to clamp this on the server so that when I move my mouse outside, it's not just absolutely like going at the speed of light here. By the end of the first day, we basically had a circle moving around on the screen, which had its position set by updates sent by the server. Next, we're going to work on adding some food to the world, which will allow the player to grow in size when the player eats the food.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, that's fine.
And that looks correct. Right?
Yes.
I'll hit play. Although 20 food for this size of a box might be a little small.
No, that should be fine because you're going to scale the player by 10, right? Oh, you might be right.
Yeah, hold on. I
Oh,
have
it
to.
is there though.
Yeah, hold on. I have to make the camera like zoomed out more. Is this size? We'll just make it 50 instead of 5, right? Or maybe like 25. I don't know. Literally top down, but your character like takes up the entire screen. Okay, this has spawned us like inside of like the border or something here. Let's check the player spawn logic quick. So we have create player. Between 0 and world size. World size is 1,000. Oh, sorry. Have we redeployed, right?
I don't recall. Lethal Chips asks, is it running immediately when scheduled? So it'll run at the time specified. So relative to when you get passed in in any reducer, you get passed in a timestamp with the time that reducer was logically called. It will be scheduled for whenever. It'll be scheduled for that timestamp plus the time in your schedule call. So like 100 milliseconds in this case, from that timestamp in the future.
Oh, you know, I didn't publish.
Oh, well, that'll do it. Also, just meter. Yeah, that's what you want to do. Yeah. Let's go faster. Oh, there we go.
What?
Oh, did you do that while it's running?
Yeah, it stopped, cool. But it seems like it worked.
Time. Yeah, that's cool. Probably if you didn't do -C, it would have kept going, maybe. Oh, baby. Look at that. Argo.io. Programming is for babies. Babies can program.
For the next day, we're going to work on some cleanup things, like client-side interpolation for position and size changes. Then me and Tyler are going to get into the game, and we're going to play around a little bit. Identity does not have a value. In this case, it does have a value, so it's going to be not that, so this will be false. Oh, that's interesting. If I actually hover over the exclamation mark, it says false. Very cool. Rider is very helpful. And I can actually hover over this one as well, and this one says false as well. So this is false, this is false. And then actually, if I hover over this guy, it should tell me this is true. We have a logic issue here because we say time.time minus last update value. Okay, last update is 1.8. Time.time is what? 5.5. Okay, we have 1 divided by this. Updates per second is 0. Why is this 0? Okay, I can see how this would only be called once because updates per second for some reason is 0. 1 divided by 0. I'm not an expert, but I'm pretty sure that's a really, really big number. Okay.
Why would it be 0? Didn't you check it in the...
I literally did check it. I did check it for what it's worth. Okay, and if I open the prefab, is it different? Why? Why if I open the prefab? If I open the prefab, it says 20, but if I don't open the prefab and I just click on it, this is 0. Unity? Like, hello?
Strange.
Okay, Unity. Testing editor design, thank you for that. Okay, cool. So now the latency issue seems to have gone away at least. I do think that the latency issue is
slowly.
Because it's only updating 20 times per second.
Oh, we kept the rates the same?
Yeah, so we could just do lerping now if you want. I mean, like, really what we should be doing here is we should be, like, moving it on the... Well, yeah. We should probably just be doing interpolation is what we should be doing.
We should absolutely be doing interpolation. That's, like, some basic stuff.
Yeah, we could add that next if you want, and then we could do color randomization. Do you want to do like color randomization on the circles as well?
Do I want to do color randomization on the circles as well?
So that they're all not just like white pieces of food. They've got
Sure.
Let's see, math of. Are you? On what is the random thing? I remember it's like random. Okay, random.
Yeah, I don't remember either.
Value times 10. Let's see. Let's see. I want to do random range. Is what I want. It's random range, but I want this to just be like between 100,000 and 999,999.
It's one way to do it, I suppose.
It is one way to do it. Okay. So there's our other player.
Okay,
it
I'm
was
in.
kind of
by the
like
way,
that.
John.
Oh, okay. All right.
Or we are here. We are moving.
Yes, we are.
Hello.
We are here. Hello.
It's exciting. Oh, I'm getting a window. What is this? Theme update? No, thank you.
Yes. Install more Windows updates, please. Also, you should move slower as you get bigger. Or am I wrong?
You mean, yes, well, in Augur.io, that's certainly how it works. Get out of here. Get out of here.
All right, so next stream, we'll add like eating other players, and then we'll add, maybe we'll like randomize the size of the food or like the colors or something like that. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. And like I said, this is a new video series. So if you want to get notified for new Twitch streams, new YouTube content, new releases, and more, definitely check out our Discord at discord.gg/SpacetimeDB. And with that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.